at all the demo cars or demo bikes out today. So we're here at the BMW Demo Day, and we're gonna see if we can get on a few of these and take them out for a ride. Long line though, so it's gonna be a popular day. Got done riding this BMW R Nine T, and it's a great little starter bike. You know, it's got a good power, nice wide handlebars, so very maneuverable. It's nice and low to the ground. So, you know, for a beginner bike, I'd definitely just hop on this R Nine T and skip over the 300. I think the 300, I was riding behind a 300, and it just seems really underpowered, and I think you're just gonna outgrow that bike way too quickly. But these R9Ts, I mean, they look good. They've got a lot of options that you can bolt on to make it look a little better. This is the Scrambler version, which looks pretty cool. And it's just got, yeah, just got good, nice riding bike. Very easy to ride, very maneuverable. So good starter bike. so just got back from taking out this S1000 RR, and man, it is a very, very cool super bike or sport bike, whatever you want to call it. But it's very, very stable, very smooth. I call it like a gentleman's cafe rate or gentleman's sport bike. You know, it's not a crotch rocket, but its power delivery is very smooth. There's hardly any vibration whatsoever, and very linear. The power comes on very linearly. I couldn't really open it up. I think I got it like, I'll have to check the video, but maybe 6,000 RPM, maybe. But it just seemed really, really stable, really smooth, and just a really nice riding bike. You know, I'm 5'8" and not wearing my proper shoes, but so I was tiptoeing it. But you know, it felt stable, it felt light, didn't feel like I was gonna lose control at all, and very, very controllable, really cool bike, really enjoy it, and may try and take out another one. We'll see, it's getting a little late in the day. Just got back from taking this R1250 out, and yeah, it's a really nice bike. Good looking, it's a nice naked bike. Rides as I expect it would for a boxer motor, and that 1250 engine's really nice, and just a cool bike. I'm gonna go ahead and take out the GS version of this. I don't think there's gonna be much difference. You know, it's just gonna be a nice smooth ride. But, Alright, just took this GS out, 1250 GS, and great bike. Very stable, very smooth, really easy to ride, and this is the low suspension, low seat model, so the shorty like me, I was able to flat foot it, no problem. And it's just a nice, easy bike. It's very utilitarian, and you know, it's okay. I don't feel super excited about it, but I like it. There's nothing bad to say about it. It's like an appliance. You know, it starts, it goes, and it does all those things really, really well.
Okay, it's a lot heavier than I thought it was.
So just got back riding this S1000R, and so I had been on this RR earlier, but it's really bent over and with the rear set. So at my age, I think with the wider handlebars and the mid controls, it's a much more upright riding position, and it's a great engine. Really, really precise. It's almost like a surgeon's scalpel. I think to go one way and it goes that way. So it rides really nicely compared to the 1250 RS. You know, hard to say. Maybe I should just get one of each. That would settle that debate there. Anyway, let's see if we can get on some more bikes.